Hello my friend, hello my precious student. For the strategy and the indicator and the Excel sheet will show you the result of the strategy from 2018 till now. Everything is in the bonus section. Just need to download it, install it as I show you in the tutorials, and have a great day. Let's dive in to show you how to download everything and to do all those things. First things, you can here, first one is going to be the template. You just click at it like that, and automatically it's going to be downloaded for you. I think that one, anyone who knows how to do it. And here it is, the indicators on the spreadsheet is going to take you to another source, but I'm sorry for that. And here it's going to open, as you see it here, and here you download it. I think everyone who knows how to do all those things, that here you came, you choose the free. Here, now on the free, like that. There's nothing too hard. Sorry for that. Let me choose. You need to have an ad blocker like that one, like me, how I have. The extension you add it in Mozilla Firefox, not in Google Chrome, because Google Chrome he allow those things to happen. But Mozilla Firefox is more advanced browser. There is more advanced browsers if you want them, but that's not our topic now. I just show you how to download it. Click create. And there it is. Everything is very easy. Nothing too complicated, because a lot of people have been complaining about it's not complete. That's how me I show you how to do everything. If you have internet down manager, man like me, just click at it and everything is done. I think everything is easy now, nothing complicated. And if you want something else or you have any other question, just email me, just text me and me will reply. So see you soon my friend, bye bye for now.